Attention all marketers! Are you tired of struggling to keep up with your competitors online? Are you frustrated with SEO software that costs a fortune and doesn't deliver the desired results? Well, have no fear, because I have the solution you've been searching for. I am excited to announce that I have discovered a powerful SEO platform that will revolutionize how you approach your digital marketing strategy. This software is designed to help you refine your SEO strategy and gain the upper hand over your competition. You will be able to handle complicated or inadequate SEO tools. This platform offers the features you need to achieve your goals quickly and efficiently. So, if you're ready to take your digital marketing to the next level, let's start today. Together, we will harness the power of this great SEO software and pave the way to success. Don't wait another moment to start dominating your industry. So, let's get started. The software I will discuss today is Sheerseo. Sheerseo is an SEO platform that helps you analyze and optimize your keyword and backlink strategies and monitor your site health. Feature: track your website's search result rankings on Google, Bing, and YouTube, and leverage historical data for your keywords. Keep tabs on your competitors' SEO performance, as well as your own website's SEO health. Analyze and track the performance of your backlinks, as well as your competitors' backlinks. Analyze the value of your keywords and get keyword suggestions from competitor sites. Price: they have two types of pricing. 1. Single domain. 2. Agency. Single domain. It has 5 plans. 1 is free with limited features and 10 keywords. Standard. Basic tracking, 200 keywords for $10 monthly and $96 annually. Advanced. Advanced tracking, 400 keywords for $15 monthly and $144 annually. Professional thin. All features, 100 keywords for $25 monthly and $240 annually. And professional. All features, 400 keywords for $40 monthly and $384 annually. Agency. It has 4 plans. Tiny agency, 5 domains, 500 keywords for $29 monthly and $278.04 annually. Small agency, 10 domains, 1,000 keywords for $49 monthly and $470.04 annually. Medium agency, 20 domains, 1,500 keywords for $89 monthly and $854.04 annually. And agency, 50 domains, 2,500 keywords for $129 monthly and $1,238.04 annually. But they have some lifetime deals. 1 domain, 75 keywords, 20 Explorer reports per month, 2 site audits, and 2,000 pages crawled monthly for $49 instead of $120. 2 domains, 150 keywords, 40 Explorer reports per month, 4 site audits, and 4,000 pages crawled monthly for $98 instead of $240. 4 domains, 225 keywords, 80 Explorer monthly reports, and 8 site audits per month. 8,000 pages crawled per month for $147 instead of $360. 5 domains, 300 keywords, 100 Explorer reports per month, 10 site audits per month, and 10,000 pages crawled per month for $196 instead of $480. 6 domains, 375 keywords, 120 Explorer reports per month, 12 site audits per month, and 12,000 pages crawled per month for $245 instead of $545. 8 domains, 450 keywords, 160 Explorer reports per month, 16 site audits per month, and 16,000 pages crawled per month for $294 instead of $660. 7 9 domains, 525 keywords, 180 Explorer reports per month, 18 site audits per month, and 18,000 pages crawled per month for $343 instead of $780. 8. 10 domains, 600 keywords, 200 Explorer reports per month, 20 site audits per month, and 20,000 pages crawled per month for $392 instead of $900 instead of $900. And 9. 12 domains, 675 keywords, 240 Explorer reports per month, 24 site audits per month, and 24,000 pages crawled per month for $441. Features included in all plans: CSV and PDF reports, traffic estimation, competitor analysis, Google Search Console integration, guarded backlinks, Backlinks Explorer, link building with directories and blogs, content analysis, customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 63 reviews on the Appsumo. Jude has only 32 reviews. And on Captura, there are 20 reviews. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. See you in the following video.